Hi, welcome back. I hope you understood the basic tariff structures, how to calculate the electricity bill, how to calculate the number of units consumed in a day, what is an electrical unit. 1 unit means, in electrical terminology, 1 unit means 1 kWh. So per day, how many number of units are consumed, and all these things are clear. Now, to test your understanding or to strengthen your understanding, let us dive into some of the questions. With the help of these questions, you will be able to connect the things much better. Okay, let's get into the first question. A residential home operates the following electrical loads daily. Very good. We have these loads operating daily: 6 9-watt LED bulbs. Okay, we have 6 9-watt LED bulbs and they are used for 8 hours. So LED bulbs, 6 are there and each one is a 9-watt and they are running for 8 hours. Okay, 6 into 9 into 8, which you will get 432 watt hour per day. This is daily. Okay, if you want to convert this into kilowatt hour, then it is 0.432 kilowatt hour a day. So LED bulbs will consume per day 0.5 units approximately. Okay, so next, so this is over. 220, see, look at this, it's not 20, we have 2 tube lights and each one is 20 watts and used for 5 hours. So tube lights, this is also lighting. So we have 2 such things, each one is 20 watts and they are running for 5 hours. So 2 into 2, 40, 40 into 5 is 200 watt hour. So this is 0.2 kilowatt hour. Now next, one TV is working for 6 hours and this is 150 watts. Okay, this must be old TV. Okay, TV is 150 into 6. So this is 900 watt hour, which is 0.9 kilowatt hour. And an 800 watt washing machine used for 1 hour. So washing machine is running for 1 hour only. So this will give 800 watt hour, which is 0.8 kilowatt hour. And there is a water pump running for how long? 2 hours, 750 watts. So 1 HP motor, 1 HP motor is running. So for 2 hours, so this is 1.5 kWh. So 750 into 2 is 1500. 1500 means 1.5 kWh. So it is asked to calculate the total energy consumption. It is not asking for the price. It is asking for how much daily energy consumption is happening. So simply sum of all of these, just add all of these, you will get the answer. So if you just do that, you will get 3.83 units, means 3.832 kWh per day. So per month, if month is 31 days, you multiply with 31. If month is 28 days, multiply with 28. If month is 30, multiply with 30 days. Simple, you will get total energy consumption per month. Okay, and of course, I am considering here the consideration is, or the assumption is, I am considering this complete 800 watts are under use for this 1 hour. Full load, everything is working at its full load. Okay. So even though you're having it, I'm not counting at what load it is operating. I'm taking, for the sake of simplicity, all are running at a full load. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Is this understood? Simple calculation, how to do it? Just try it again, Once again you try it, just go back to the starting of the video and try it. I move to the next question. Yes, this is the next question. Here it is said, a domestic consumer receives an electric bill showing the total monthly consumption is this many units, 435 units. Okay, so this is the consumption of the consumer. Now the state electricity board applies a block rate tariff. The tariff is as follows. What's the tariff? 3.5 rupees for first 100 units. So this for first 100 units, the tariff structure, and next 100 units, and next 200 units, and above that exceeding 400 is 8 rupees. So this 435 you are dividing into 100 plus this 100 plus this 200 plus 35. Okay, and this will be charged at rupees 3.5 and this will be charged at rupees 6.5 rupees, sorry 4.5 rupees. Okay, this is 4.5 rupees and this will be charged at rupees 6.5 rupees and this will be charged at remaining 400 units 8 rupees. Okay, exceeding 400 units it is 8 rupees. Okay, and additionally there is something interesting here. Additionally there is a fixed monthly meter charges. I think you must have seen this. If you leave your home completely unused for at least 1 month or 2 months or something, but you will still get a bill, minimum bill we'll call. So that minimum bill is because they are giving you wires and all, everything is there, so they will charge that. Meter charge is also 75 rupees whether you use it or don't use it. Okay, so plus this meter charges which is 75 rupees. So 100 into 3.5 and this into this, this into this, this into this plus 75, you will get the total value. Okay, for the, this is a monthly units, so monthly bill you will get, and the answer is 2455 rupees. Okay, just doing this math you will get this answer. So the monthly bill is exactly this for this specific uses. Alright, great. You understood how to calculate this value if you know the load is given exactly. Estimation, this is just an estimation. Okay, and how to calculate if these values are given. I mean the total monthly consumption is given, how to find out, how to calculate the price or the bill, that is also clear. Great. In the next lecture we'll see a few more questions based on this tariff. See you in the next lecture.